Welcome. Tonight after the closing bell on Wall Street, Snap, the parent of Snapchat, will report its third quarter earnings. Analysts are expecting a loss of 15 cents a share on revenues of $237 million. Now, as has been the case in the company's other quarters since going public earlier this year, analysts are likely to remain focused very much on user growth and efforts to monetize the platform. In the second quarter, Snap reported a year-on-year rise of 12% in daily active users to 173 million. On that basis, it generated $1.05 in average revenue per user, an increase of 109% year over year and 16% quarter over quarter. But several analysts and research firms have recently lowered revenue growth expectations, due in part to slower than expected user growth in recent quarters. Let's take a look at the share price chart and look at it on a big picture basis, right the way from the point at which we first saw it come to the market all the way back in early March this year. It went to that record high of $28.18. It came to the market at this dotted black line here at $17 per share. It pulled back on the 10th of May this year down to test that level, and then used that as support until it broke it on the 11th of July. Since then, it's tried to break back again on the 13th of October, Friday 13th, but it failed to do so. And it's been trading in this increasingly tight pattern here on this symmetrical triangle. When you get a symmetrical triangle like this, when the breakout occurs, generally speaking, it's normally quite extreme in its move. And you can take from the top to the bottom, you can take a number of measures and you'll get a trade either up or down from there. So the likelihood is, if we do get an extreme trade out of this pattern at some point, could it be when earnings are released tonight? It may well be. You can either get it trade below this recent support here, or close support at 1404. We're currently trading at 1483. Which would see us back down again to these record lows at 1128. Or if it broke higher, and it would then rise above this IPO price of $17, and you could then expect it to get up to sort of the levels that we have not seen since these levels around about the 29th of June. So that's where we are in terms of the trade at the moment. Currently at 1483. This is an all-session stock. It means you can trade it when the company reports after the close this evening. If it's a good number, look at some sort of resistance coming in at the $17 level. If it's a poor number, you've got your initial support coming through at 1404, and then I'm afraid it's potentially all the way down to these lows here at 1128.